This is Gearbox. It's a locking mechanical box. It's made entirely out of wood. The box itself is made from mahogany. It's approximately 3.5 to 3.25 inches in diameter, and it's about 4.25 inches tall. The pattern on the outside is done in copper leaf. It's a style of pattern I'm pretty into this sort of design on my work. I like patterns that appear to be woven. What I like about this pattern is it looks like a bunch of Ys that are sort of woven over each other. The other interesting thing about this pattern, and you'll see when I open the box up, is that it relates very closely to the internals of the box. So it gives you a clue as to what you might find when you open the box up. If you look at the lid of the box, there's another pattern done in copper leaf. Again, it relates to what's going on inside the box. And it's this one is very much done as a knot. There are breaks in the curvy lines that give the appearance of it being woven on the lid of the box. The lid here is really a dust cover, and there's a hole in the top of it that allows you to see inside, and we'll get to that. So we'll remove the dust cover, and you have the internals of the box, which you can see there's quite a bit going on. I've obscured the numbers on the tumblers because I don't want to give away the combination. But what we have going on here is there's a ring gear, which is part of the box itself. So we have the ring gear, and then there are 3 planetary gears, which are locked. The tumblers keep the planetary gears locked until you dial in the proper combination. And then the sun gear in the center is attached to the shaft, which allows you to manipulate the gears once you've unlocked it. The frame here in the center has indicators to tell you which dial is the number 1 dial. So you're dialing in a 3-digit combination. You start with the dial with you start with the knob that goes to the V indicator, because that's the number 1 position, and you dial the combination in clockwise. So we'll do that. And as I said, I've obscured the numbers on the dial because I don't want to give away the combination. So once we dial the proper combination in, then the whole thing is freed up and can move. So let's see if we lock it. You see it won't move. So this is an actual 3-number combination lock on the lid. When it's capable to be moved, what happens is you turn the center shaft, and of course the gears move, and the lid spins around. Well, the lid is threaded underneath the ring gear, and the lid itself. There's a thread combination that slides through the ring gear, and that's how the box opens up. So the dial spins around, and the lid comes off. And that's how Gearbox works. So you can see the gears spin quite freely when it's unlocked. To put it back together, you lower the lid in, and you give it a couple of back and forths until the threads engage, and you can see it spins very freely. You can actually open it up just by pushing it. And you spin it all the way down to the bottom. Spin the tumblers, and there you have it. It's locked again. So now I'll remove the covers on the numbers. You can see the dials with the numbers on them, which are the tumblers. So basically the tumblers engage the planet gears, and I'd like to stress that this box is made entirely of wood. The only non-wooden parts on this box are some magnets that are actually used in the tumbler. The tumbler design is a novel, unique design to me. And the thread itself is also done in epoxy, simply because a wood thread would not hold up, and it would be hard to do as fine of a wood thread. So that's it. That's Gearbox. I hope you enjoyed it.